GeoByte.
Welcome to the GeoByte. In this video, let us discuss a simple technique to prepare tables from 11 to 99, like 17 table, any table, 26 table, 48 table, 59 table, etc. It is very difficult for you to remember 89 table, 94 table, etc. That's why in this video, let us discuss the simple technique, very easy technique, how to prepare the tables from 11 to 99. First, let us take the very first table, that is 17 table. For the 17 table, what you need to do is you separately write the one table and seven table. One table and seven table. First, let me write the one table. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 2, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Similarly, 7 table. 7. 7 into 1, 7. But write in terms of 2 digits, that is 0, 7. 7 into 2, 14. 7 into 3, 21. 28. 35. 35, 42, 49, 56, 63 and 70. Then what you need to do is you try to prepare a box, rectangular box, for the 10, 10 space digits of 7 table, 10 space digits of 7 table and 1 table. 1 table. Let me prepare that. You prepare a box like this. Prepare a box like this. Then you keep plus symbol for the values in the box. Now you add the values in the box. 1 plus 0, 1. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Similarly, 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 3, 8. 6 plus 4, 10. 7 plus 4, 11. 8 plus 5, 13. 9 plus 6, 15. 17. After adding the values, then you write the values here which are outside the box. Which are outside the box are these values. Those values are like 7, 4, 1, 8, 5, 2, 9, 6, 3, 0. You got the 17th table. So you try to compare your 17 table with our values. Definitely it is absolutely true. I hope you clearly understood. Similarly, let us go for another table, 34 table. For this, what you need to do, you need to write the 3 table and 4 table separately. Let us write the table 3, 3, 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 3, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, table 3, 27 and 30. Okay na? Similarly, let us write the 4 table 4, 4 write as 0 4, 4 into 2 8, 0 8, always in terms of 2 digits. 4 into 3 12, 4 into 4 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Then what you need to do? You need to prepare a box for the tens place of 4 table and whole third table. Let us prepare the box. You try to prepare the box like this. Then you place the plus sign between the values which are within the box. Add them. 3 plus 0 3, 6 plus 0 6, 9 plus 1 10, 13, 17, 20, 23, 27, 30, 34. Then what you need to do? You write the outside values, outside digits orderly like this. Let me write that values 4, 8, 2, 6, outside values 0, 4, 8, 2, 6, 0. You got your table. I hope you understood very clearly. Similarly, let us do for 56 table. 56 table. For that, you need to write 5 table and 6 table separately. 5 table and 6 table. First, let me write the 5 table. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 3, 15. Like that, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. That is the 5 table. Similarly, 6 table. 6 table is 6, but write in terms of 2 digits 0 6. 6 into 2, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Then what you need to do? You need to prepare the box for the tens place digits of 6 table and 5 table. Let us prepare the box. Then make the plus symbol between the inside values of the box. I hope you are clearly following. Then you add the inside values like 5 plus 0 is 5. 10 plus 1 is 11. Similarly, 15 plus 1 16. 20 plus 2 22. 25 plus 3 28. 33, 39, 44, 50, 56. Then what you need to do? You write the outside column orderly. 6, 2, 8, 4, 0, 6, 2, 8, 4, 0. You got your 56 table. Similarly, let us prepare the 78 table. 78 table. For this, first let us write the 7 table and 8 tables separately. 7 into 1, 7. 7 into 2, 14. 7 into 3, 21. Like that, 28, 35, 42, 49, 7 table, 56, 63 and 70. Similarly, 8 table. 8 write as 2 digits, 0, 8, 16, 8 into 3, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72 and 80. Then you prepare a box. That box is like this. This is your box. Then place the plus symbol for adding the inner values. Let us add the box inside values. 7 plus 0. 7 plus 0 is 7. Similarly, 14 plus 1 is 15. 21 plus 2. 21 plus 2 is 23. 28 plus 3, 31. 31, 39, 46, 54, 49 plus 5. This 49 plus 5, 54. Similarly, 56 plus 2, 56 plus 6, 62. 63 plus 7, 70, 78. Then the row of the last digits, the last column of digits you place here for getting the required table, that is 78 table. 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. You got 78 table. I hope you clearly got it. Let us take another table. 98 table. For this, let us write the 9 table and 8 table separately. 9 into 1, 9. 9 into 2, 18. 9 into 3, 27. 9 table, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Similarly, 8 table, 8 into 1, 8, but write in terms of 2 digits, 0, 8. 8 into 2, 16, 24. 8 into 4, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Then you prepare a box. Try to prepare a box like this. 10 place digits of 8 table and complete 9 table. Then make a plus sign within the box for adding the values. 9 plus 0 is 9. 18 plus 1, 19. 27 plus 2, 29. 36 plus 3, 39. Like this. 49. 54 plus 4, 58. 68. 78. 88. 98. Then you write the outside values orderly. 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. You got your required table, that is 98 table. I hope you clearly understood. Let us take one more table, 75 table. For this, let us write the 7 table, 5 table separately. 7 into 1 7, 7 into 2 14, 7 into 3 21, like that. 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. That is the 7 table. Similarly 5 table. 5 into 1 5, but write in terms of 2 digits 0 5. 5 into 2 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Then you prepare a box. You prepare a box like this. Place the plus symbol within the box values. Add them. 7 plus 0. 7 plus 0 is 7. 14 plus 1, 15. 14 plus 1, 15. Write it carefully. 21 plus 1, 22. 28 plus 2, 30. 35 plus 2, 37. 42 plus 3, 45. 49 plus 3, 52. 56 plus 4, 60. 63 plus 4, 67. 70 plus 5, 75. Then the outside column of the values. Put them orderly like this. Put them orderly. So 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. For getting 75 table. You got your 75 table very easily. I hope you got my point. So if you remember this technique, you can complete within seconds any table between 11 and 99. I am going to give some tables to practice at your home, like 26 table, 39 table, 46 table, 53 table, 69 table, 71 table, 84 table, 98 table. You prepare these tables at your home. If you need any clarifications, you please send your doubts to GeoByte. Definitely, I will answer all your doubts. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Please subscribe our channel called GeoByte. Once again, thank you very much.
GeoByte.